In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a line in Google Docs. So there's essentially two different lines that we can add to our Google document. The first line is what we call a page break, and to do this you need to move your mouse cursor to where you want to add the line, click on Insert from the navigation and select Horizontal Line. So as you can see, this adds a line all the way across the document, and this is a great way to break up the pieces of text. Now, the second line that you can add is something similar to this signature line at the bottom. So in order to add this line, click on Insert in the top navigation, select Drawing and press New. Then click on the line tool and simply draw your line in this canvas. If you want to adjust the width of your line, you can do that from this drop down here. You can also adjust the line color as well, but I'm going to leave mine black. Once you're happy with your line, click Save and Close. And in order to reposition the line, we just need to select it like this. Make sure you have a behind text selected. And then you can just move it around on the screen to exactly where you want this line positioned. It can be quite tricky sometimes to actually select it, but once you've got a hold of it, you should be able to drag that and move it anywhere on the screen. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.